Good morning. What's up, Maverick fam? Uh, laying here, man. Before I gotta go to work, I really don't want to go to work because I'm chilling, honestly, and it's kind of, you know, bittersweet. Well, not really bittersweet, but I typically start my work week on Tuesday, and then go Tuesday throughout the rest. So I can have Monday off. I used to do it the other way around, have Friday off, but I kind of like going from Sunday, not working Monday, then go the rest of the week. But the bad thing about that is when Tuesday roll around and you already in chill mode, you don't want to go. And that's what I did with every Tuesday. Every Tuesday, man. And it's like, bro, I don't want to go anywhere because I'm already chilling. And I had a whole day to chill, trying to roll over, my rollover chillage. But then, reality kicks in and then I begin to think, and I'm going to break it down for you. My mind is telling me no, but my wallet is telling me yes. I need money. So I get up anyway. That was extra, wasn't it? I don't know, man. I just felt that, okay? I felt it. You gonna say something about it? Or you gonna listen again? You gonna replay it? I'd replay it myself. At me. But, yeah, so I'm ready for work. And see what shenanigans is up in there today. Hopefully it's a calm day. Hopefully it's cool. Hopefully I get up in there and they be like, "Oh, hey, Don, I didn't know you was there." I'm like, "Yep, that's kind of work they want to have. We don't even know I'm there." And I just get my work done and roll out. Probably say what's up to moms or whatever. Me and moms work for the same company, so you know, I may slide up in her office for a second, wrap a taste, but mom's mom's at work. Mom's a whole nother person. She corporate moms. Tell the moms you better stop faking, okay? But other than that, man, I holler at y'all in a bit.
Lord, well, I gotta be doing work.
Well, do your work.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Learn how to multitask.
I do. Very multitask right now. To get my work done.
Vonnie Blackshear, Queen HR.
Yeah, I'm
how,
trying to do my best.
how long you been in the field, girl?
3 years.
3 years. Yeah. I bet you had that coffee all morning, didn't you?
I sure did, and it's delicious.
Bet it's cold too.
Sure is.
Mm. Really?
Yep. Mm.
You see, the luxury of being in the same company as your mom is anytime you can just come up in her office and bother her.
This is true.
I I didn't need you to amen that part.
Oh, I better do.
And actually, since we're talking, Ms. Blackshear, tell the world, just give a little nugget of how wonderful and lucky you are to have your son working with you.
He alright.
Yes.
Child, he's alright.
Like Jesus?
No.
I mean, because I heard, what's the matter with Jesus?
So you're comparing yourself with Jesus?
Being that I'm a child of the King and He made me in His image, one can say probably yes. We can have that argument there.
So now you want to use the scriptures?
Well, I try to apply the scripture to my life daily, and it's just convenient that it happened to fit there.
Mm-hmm. All right, well, I'm going to take a little bit of my lunch. A cup of noodles.
It's not a commercial. You realize in every clip you eat or something?
That's a shame. I'm fat. I'm struggling.
Oh, man.
I mean, I don't know why it turned out that way, but it's true.
That is hilarious. Really, the sound effects.
But it's good. Mm-hmm.
What is that, chicken?
Chicken flavor.
Chicken flavor, yeah.
That's one of my favorites. Yeah. So, anyway.
Get some work done.
Mm-hmm. I am.
So I'm just getting off of work. And I come to the car. And the first thing I see is, look at this. Look at the windows and the windshield. A daggone bird done sat here and got its one on and pooped all over the daggone car. I mean, endless bubble guts. Do you hear me? Like, it looked, first of all, it looked like the daggone bird had Chipotle. Look at this. What is that? I mean, killed it. Is this what we resorted to? I mean, birds, I feel like, I refuse to believe it was just one bird. If one bird did this, that bird needs to be checked out and seen, because that's some health issues right there for the bird. That is just, I mean, got it. One, and then it's dripping. Look at, it's dripping down. Look at that. Oh my gosh. That thing, that's disrespectful. A daggone terrorist attack of bird poop on my car. ICE is using birds now. This disrespect, I get no respect in these streets no more. That's ridiculous. I'm out. What's up, Maverick fam? I'm about to go to Nando's, one of my favorite spots. It's I forgot what it's called, but I mean what type of food there, but it's good. It's good. I want to say it's like, I don't know if it's African, I don't know, but one of my friends put me on to it. I want to say last year. I'm actually about to go meet up with her. And I was hungry as ever. I had ate a salad, and I was like, bro, I'm still hungry. So I'm like, you know what? Let me go ahead, give me something to eat. So I texted her. I was like, what you doing? You hungry? She was like, yeah, I can eat. I was like, bet. Be there in 20. Be ready. Pretty much.
Mm-hmm.
I don't speak that. What are you doing?
Mm-hmm. 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 Mm-hmm.
What'd you say?
Mm-hmm.
You gonna leave that in your mouth?
Mm-hmm.
You're weird.
Mm.
I bet you don't.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
What?
Mm-hmm.
Take the camera off you?
Mm-hmm.
You the one that put the thing in your mouth like that. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
How was your day, Mom? What?
Mm-hmm.
Come on.
Mm-hmm.
Huh?
Mm-hmm.
I don't speak. What is this?
Are you recording?
Do you see my face on it?
Oh, okay.
Then how am I recording you?
Yeah.
Dang.
My day was good.
What'd you do?
It's called work.
Go get your own gold.
Mm-hmm.
Nobody's scared of you.
Yeah, whatever. Don't put up.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Mm.
You think you scared of me?
I ain't got scared.
Yeah.
Shoot.
You can catch these hands any day.
Yeah, you can catch this foot and his hand. There's eight foot, and these two left and right.
You get your feet done.
Yeah, whatever. Don't take a picture on yours. Yeah. I'm gonna talk about some feet.
First of all,
that crap look like clothes.
my feet look like the gods.
Child back. Yeah, the dead ones. About somebody's feet.
That's funny.
Child
You
back.
about to get roasted.
You get ready to get fried up, just like a piece of bacon.
Always talking about food.
I like food. Food is good. I wouldn't be this big if I ain't like food. But I'm gonna start my diet tomorrow.
I could have sworn last episode you said we was on the diet already.
Oh, that's right.
What?
See what's happening is because I'm not eating my total amount of food, I'm losing some brain stuff.
So because you're not eating, you're losing cell membranes.
Yeah. When you go from eating 2,000 calories a day to 1,300, add it up.
That's 7,000.
I mean, subtract it.
That's only subtracted 7,000.
You sure?
Yeah, you said from
2,000
to 1,300s.
7,000 calories?
Yeah.
You sure?
I mean 700.
I'm gonna need you to learn math.
That was terrible. And you just let me be wrong.
That's right. You were so confident. 7,000.
Oh man.
2,000 minus 1,300. 7,000.
First of all, I didn't do all that.
Child back.
You get to prove me wrong one time this year. And all
Get your math skills up.
First, my math is better than yours.
Okay, get your math skills up. How about that?
No, you're not talking.
Oh, I'm talking.
Go to sleep.
Not yet. It's not my time yet. I got some reading to do.
What's up, Maverick fam? It's about midnight 14, and you know what? I'm hungry. I'm gonna make me a midnight snack, and will end up making me a grilled cheesage because it's quick, it's simple, and it's gonna get the job done. But I want y'all to look at this. Look at this right here. Look at this. Somebody look at this. See all this food right here? All that. All that. Look at that. You know, some people would say, hey, man, you got some food up in there, man. I'm pretty sure you can have something more than grilled cheese. Truth is, I can't. Nope. All that food up in here. Look at this. Look at this. Cereal, bags of chips. You got ice cream. You got all that good stuff right here. And you know what? I can't eat it. Why? Because it's not mine. And I live in a black house. You don't touch food that's not yours in a black house. You will probably end up dying if you touch a black person's food. That's ridiculous. It's like some unspoken rule here. But I tell you what I do have. I tell you what is all mine. Cheese. What do I need all this cheese for? And bread. Oh. Oh. That's me. I'm sorry. But bread. That's what I got. With my name on it. That's all I can eat. Why? Because that's what I pay for. I tell you, I miss the old days, man. When your parents made sure you had something to eat. Because, you know, you were the child. But when you get older, man, parents don't care no more. They really don't. You adult, you got to fend for yourself. See, that's that fine print in growing up that nobody talks about. Is you got to fend for yourself when you grow up, man. I didn't tell you how rough it's going to be. And all this food in here, man, I can't eat because it ain't mine. So, because I don't want to catch a case, you know, I abide by the rules, you know. But, I see some hungry days ahead, man. So, if somebody want to, you know, start a GoFundMe, you know, for my groceries, let me know. You know, I give you some Hot Pockets or some ramen noodles. Oh yeah. Get up in there. Look at this, look at the wrist. Look at this, look at the wrist. Whoop, whoop. Oh yeah, give it to me now. Give it to me now, give it to me now. Who did that? Look at that. Look at this. You see, what you want to do is you want to have the right ratio of butter to pan to breadage, you know, and you're going to get one of these things right here. See how perfect that is? Look at the edges, okay? Look at the flaky, that's the whole plate. Look at this. Wow, you know? Shoot. Chef Boy or Mav know how to do it, okay? Yes, yes, yes. Fitness evolution. Got the gym running off the early morning. I actually missed 2 days, man. So today I had to get in there, had to go hard, get it done, man. I can't slack. Can't slack at all, but gotta get ready for work. Another day, another dollar, another day, another vloggage. Let me tell you how weird it was. I didn't have my my headphones today for the gym, which was so weird. It's like I didn't have any music, any motivation, so I was left to sing to my daggone self, man. Radio station was popping in my head. I had everything in there, man. So because I didn't have my headphones today, I'm in there singing. I'm singing, blah, 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 blah. Time going past. And then I start singing some old gospel songs. Well, I guess congregational songs, man, that I heard growing up. As a kid, man, I was singing that, singing my little heart away on the treadmill. I'm singing, we are soldiers in the army. We've got to fight, although it got good to me. We got to hold up the blood-stained banner. We've got to hold it up until we die. Hey, yeah! We are soldiers in the army. We've got to fight, although we have to die. Well, we got to hold up the blood-stained banner. We've got to hold it up until we die. Then I started thinking about the words, and I said, we are soldiers, in the army. Yes, I am. We've got to fight. Well, I got hands, although we have to die. Wait, what? What? You see, that's the part that got me for a second, because I started thinking. I'm a thinker. I'm a huge thinker. I maybe overthink a lot of things. But I'm like, you know what? We had great wars. Great battles. We had the battles of Gettysburg, Gettysburg, whatever. Then we had a Civil War. We had World War I and II. We had Vietnam War. And I'm thinking, you know what? Not everybody died in those wars. And they go, well, how do you know, Mav? I said, because we got somebody to come back and tell us, hey, we won, or hey, we lost. Not everybody died. So I was like, you know what? It's just a song. Don't worry about it. We've got to hold up the blood-stained banner. We've got to hold it up until we die. Then I was like, wait a minute. Time to think again. We got to hold up the blood-stained banner. Now, I believe this song, we're talking about Jesus Christ anyway. So, his blood washed us all our sins. But I started thinking, that's a little bit unsanitary. We holding up a blood-stained banner now. What if I get something? Because disease and stuff pass, through blood and pathogens, all that crap. I'm like, I'm holding up the blood-stained banner. I'm not to say that, I can't be healed if I did catch something. But what if I get the Bethlehem flu because I got the blood all dripping up in me and stuff? And my leukocytes and my white cell count just goes skyrocket. I gotta explain to people why I'm sitting here withering away. No, I hold the blood-stained banner up. That's what I was doing. I was in the army of the Lord, people. And so we got to hold it up until we die. So first of all, we're not clear here. Am I going to die if I'm in the army? Like, because you said we are soldiers in the army. We got to fight the Lord, we got to die. It's like that is huge a possibility that I'm going to die while I'm fighting. And then I was saying, you know what? I can't die in the first time. Not the first round, because I'm on banner duty now. I'm holding it up. So at some point, I was either just terrible fighting, and Jesus was like, you know what, Donnie, it's not gonna work for you. Go on banner duty, man. Just hold that up for a second. Like, did I get demoted, Jesus? Why am I holding banner duty? I don't know what's going on. Come to think about it, I'm more confused now than I was coming up the daggone gym. I done got put on banner duty because the Lord was like, you know what? You're not gonna fight. You can't fight with us, man. Something wrong with you. I done got put on. Don't let Jesus put you on banner duty. Show the Lord you can fight. In the spirit. I done got put on banner duty. I ain't even know it. Wow. That's what happens when I don't have my headphones, man. I don't have my headphones at the gym, and I start singing songs, man, and I start thinking about it. Well, I don't know.